Alright, y'all, back again with another video. Alright, y'all see what I got on the plate today. Spaghetti, sausages, green peppers, all that good old stuff in there. Onions. Yeah, look at it. Can y'all see it? Yeah, I had to get y'all a closer view up on it. Yes, got all that good stuff. It tastes so good too. I know it do. Alright, let me bring it back out. Alright, y'all, I had to show y'all what I'm doing for today's dinner. Okay, so now you see it. I got the spaghetti dinner today. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get ready to get off here, as you already know what time it is. Gotta go ahead and take that dip while it's hot. You already know what I do. Alright. I got to go on this video. Oh yeah. This came out pretty good. Alright, y'all. Check my other video. Don't forget to like the other video I got showing y'all that how I'm making it. So don't forget to check out the other video. Alright, I'm out. Peace.